So when creating a calendar event in Google, you're first going to click on a time slot. I'm going to add a title. I'm going to just do test title because this is just a demonstration. We're going to add guests. I'm going to send to my email. And then you can add a location. Add a description. And then you're going to add an attachment. I guess I'll just do this. It's going to show it right there. And you're going to save. And then press send. Oh, got it. And then you're going to invite. And our event is saved and sent.